Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Model Rockets 321. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that thumb up and drop a comment. So today I want to present to you the very first set of Model Rockets trading cards by Model Rockets 321. I have a 12 card set here of exclusive cards. I curated these myself. I went through the photos and images that I had, some of the most memorable moments, and I put together this limited 12 card set. 3 of these cards will be vaulted after this run, so this is a perfect time to go ahead and lock yours in. I'm super proud of these cards, and I think you guys will enjoy it too. As you can see right there, that is the Omega and this is the Saturn V, just to let you know the type of cards and rockets that are going to be in this collection. I grew up collecting sports cards, basketball, baseball, and football mainly. I really got heavy into the football cards, you know, my Pittsburgh Steelers, so I still have a collection of Steelers cards, only. That's the only cards I have, and a few Michael Jordans and some other, maybe LeBron or Kobe or something like that. Not a whole lot left, but I always liked cards, and I just thought it would be great for something like that to come to the hobby of Model Rockets. These cards are great. I put mine in these hard cases. The hard cases will not come in your set. You can order these separate. I got these from Amazon. The link for these will be below also. But your 12 card set will be shipped in sleeves and it will be well protected. So that's just something I'm offering right now for you guys, exclusively for Model Rockets 321. It's the first of its kind, and for the first 10 orders that come in, they will be signed. I will sign each of those cards. Not each of the cards, I will sign one card out of the stack. One card out of the 12 card set will be signed for the first 10 supporters. So support this movement, support these cards. I just think it's something great for the hobby. It's never been done. Right here, here's one of the cards that will be limited. That is my Project X SR71 Blackbird. That will be in the collection. You will get 12 of these. This is the complete set, all numbered 1 through 12. It is a great collection. I put mine in these hard cases. They're so perfect, like, for these cards. I'm super excited for this. I hope you guys are excited for this too. It's a good way to support the channel and support the hobby. We got to keep this hobby going. As a lot of new things and new technologies come out, I like to get outside and play in the dirt, you know, so that's what this is. You go out in the desert, you launch rockets, you build them, fly them, introduce the hobby to somebody else, show a kid, you know, copy this link, send this link to somebody, share the hobby, share these cards around, get your set. They're on pre-order right now, and they will be shipping this fall. They will be shipping this fall. Place your order. Lock in the first 10 orders. The card will be signed. One card in the collection will be signed. They are fantastic. Like, you can just see, like, the details and the quality. All the photos are great. There's the Starship Nova. Here we have my Little Joe 2 launching. Just a fantastic collection of cards. Don't miss out on this, guys. Take full advantage. They're on sale right now also, because the price will go up during the fall. So lock in early, lock in now, get your complete set. This is set number 1. And I'm just so excited because this is a great time. Many things are coming. I have another opportunity for some more great stuff that's going to come forward from Model Rockets 321. We're going to keep this hobby moving forward. Place your order, lock your order in, get it out of the way, and sit back and let the rocket elves do the rest. That package will arrive in your mailbox. Yours truly, Model Rockets 321. Thanks for supporting this channel. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Get your set of cards. Get all 12. You get the whole set in this one order. It's Model Rockets 321. And I'm out of here, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. And we'll see you in another video.
Attention Rocketeers, for the very first time, you can get your hands on an exclusive set of Model Rocket trading cards by Model Rockets 321. These cards have been carefully created and represent a groundbreaking first in the world of rocketry with their glossy UV-coated finish. These collectibles are a must-have for anyone passionate about space and rocketry. This 12-card set includes detailed descriptions on the back of each card, plus 3 limited edition cards that will be vaulted after this release. Don't miss out! Secure your set right now by clicking the link in the bio.